and welcome to my latest YouTube video, guys and gals. All we're going to be doing today is we are going to be showing you how to create your very own Discord bot. So the first thing that you're going to want to be doing is you're going to want to come to this URL right here. So it is discord.com/developers/applications. The link will be down below in the description if you guys need it. So we're going to click on New Application and we're going to call it YouTube Tutorial Bot. As you can already see, I have it there because I made one earlier just to test that it was all working still. So by clicking create, you're going to agree to the terms of service for developers and the developer policy also. So we're going to create the bot. So it's going to be called YouTube Tutorial Bot, and if you want to add a description you can just do YouTube Tutorial Bot or whatever you want your description to be. So we don't need any of this stuff right now. That's all going to be for future use if and when you decide to make your bot public, etc, etc. So we're going to save them changes there, and as you can see we'll get a little message up at the top of our screen right here. All of your edits have been carefully recorded. That means that all this information that we just added is saved. If you wanted to, you could add a little icon there for your bot that would appear as a user profile photo for your bot. We're not going to be doing that right now, but what we're going to do is we're going to come to the left here and we're going to click on bot, and then we're just going to add a bot to our application. Obviously, as you can see here, this little message will pop up. Adding a bot user gives your app visible life in Discord. However, this action is irrecoverable. Choose wisely. So we're going to click on yes, let's do it, because we want it to have a bot. It's going to give it a default icon just like that. And then we're going to be able to find our token here. We don't need this token right now, but we will need it shortly when we begin to code. If you forget your token, you can click on reset token right here and you'll be able to do so. So what we want is we want to set up the permissions for the bot now. We don't want it to be a public bot right now because that would be a bad idea whilst it's in development. We don't need it to have a code grant right now, but we do want it to have all of these intents. All three of them there need clicking, otherwise it will not work properly. So now we're going to go and do some permissions. We've got general permissions, as you can see here, text permissions in the middle there, and voice permissions over on the right. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to manage server roles, and we're going to want to kick and ban members. We're going to want to do the nicknames, and we don't need to manage emojis, webhooks. We need it to be able to read them. We need it to moderate members, otherwise it won't be able to do any of this stuff up here. And then we're going to go to send messages, manage messages, read message history, and add reactions. And for this tutorial series we will not need it to use any voice permissions whatsoever. So remember to click on save your changes. Again, up at the top when it's changed it'll say bot successfully updated. This is the place where you can change your bot's username and icon as well. That's just how it will appear in your Discord feed. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to come to OAuth2 page. This page here we will use in the future, but not right now. We're going to go to the URL generator tab just here, as you can see, and we're going to go and we're going to give it bot permission scope. So then we're going to go and click all the stuff that we just clicked in the last bit, kick ban. We're going to want it to change and manage nicknames. We're going to want it to read and moderate members, and we're going to want to send messages. We're going to want to manage messages, read message history, and add reactions. Okay, so now we've got them all clicked. As you can see down here on the bottom, we can just copy and paste the generated URL that it has pre-generated for us. We can come up here into a new tab and we're going to pop it in the search bar and hit enter. It'll bring you to this page and it'll tell you that an external application, YouTube Tutorial Bot, wants to access your Discord account. And it will tell you that you know, all the stuff that it will allow it to do. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add it to server. Let's add it to the YouTube tutorial server right now. So to make your own bot, you are going to need your own server. I will do another video on setting that up next. If you don't know how to do it already, it is fairly straightforward. Anyway, so this is all the permissions that we've just clicked, and that is what we're going to want our bot to do eventually by the end of the series. So we're going to authorize this bot. You're going to confirm that you are a human, and then we are done with this tab. We can close that tab, and we can come into our thing. As you can see, we have YouTube Tutorial Bot has joined our Discord. Welcome Tutorial Bot, and then that is as simple as that. You have successfully created your own bot and you have added it to a server. Congratulations. What we're going to do next video is we are going to start coding our bot. We'll be using Python, and we will be using the discord.py library. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will come and catch me in the next video where we will start to code our bot. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see the rest of the series. Bye for now.